Hello and welcome to this new video on how to know your size in CM. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type shein and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search result will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result and your shein interface will be open right in front of you, and in order to know your size you just need to choose the clothes you want. You can just choose from any section and choose just any product that you want, and in the right hand side of the product there will be a cart section. In every product there is a cart section. You can just click on the cart section and this pop-up notification page will be open, and in the right hand side of the page there will be a size guide. You just have to click on the size guide, and this is the guide. You can change the size according to the state. If you are from Europe, then you can just click on the EU and you will be able to see the EU size. You can also choose in which measurement you are comfortable, in centimeter or in inch, and it shows the fit size, that is skinny, regular or oversized, and it also shows you the stress type. And these are the body measurements, and this is the measurement of the product that you want to buy. So in order to know your proper size, you can just measure your own body according to the product, how they have measured the product. And when you have measured your own body, and you can just look in the product measurements, and here is the body measurement type, and you will be able to find your proper fit through the product measurement and body measurement and measuring your own body and following through this instruction. You will be able to find the size and you will be able to order the proper size of the product. So this is how you can know your size in CN. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.